I am very excited right now because in this rather unassuming brown box is what could potentially be my new obsession when it comes to shoe fashion. So I don't know if you guys saw this, maybe you did, if you're looking for this video in particular, but Adidas released a brand new style for the Superstar sneakers, and they are called Adidas Superstar Bubble, and they're kind of this interesting extra layer on top of the sneaker that looks like it's bubbly and it's shiny. And anyways, why am I saying this when I can just open it? So this is an unboxing for the Adidas Superstar Bubble. One of the things that kind of does suck about these is they are only available exclusively in China. Yeah, that's right. China. Why? What are you doing, Adidas? And when they were posted online later last year, when they were first kind of introduced, they leaked online. Most people were pretty positive about them. I feel like this is definitely going to be a style that you either love or hate. Ooh, all right. So these are pretty cool. They have, oh, they're stuck in the bag. They have, oh, so I got these from Kix Crew. By the way, a lot of people were saying Kix Crew was like not sending them their order and stuff, but I obviously got mine, so I don't know, I guess Kix Crew is okay. So this is a gradient that is blue and red, although the red is a little bit like pinkish. It did look pinkish in photos as well. So we have this Adidas let me actually take them both out. I'm actually pretty excited, but I'm not excited because I think I'm gonna obsess over these now and spend a small fortune on them. These were like $250 to get them here for me, so a little pricey. It's certainly one of the pricier Adidas Superstars. So anyways, the gimmick here is that you have a white leather Superstar sneaker with black stripes, and then on top of that, they put this silicone, a squishy, squeaky condom over the Superstar. So I'm gonna actually, you can take it off. I'm pretty sure it's not, oh, so it's Velcroed. There's like a little Velcro area here. Okay, and I think it's probably on both sides. Oh, there's actually like a decent amount of Velcro on the bottom. I feel like we have to take the condom off just to see what it's like without them. I love this idea. I gotta be honest with you. I'm kind of in love with it. So yeah, you have a pair of Superstars. They got Velcro along the outsole, black stripes, leather. Pretty cool. This is, of course, the star of the show. I think, first of all, they are only available in China, but they could be testing the market. Maybe they released them in China, and they're going to test the market, see how well they do, and then decide if they should bring them out worldwide. Adidas, yes, you should. So I thought it would be appropriate to give you guys an even closer shot of these beauties. So yeah, as I was already saying, they have the rubber outer sole. I think it's more of a silicone, but whatever. And you know, I think what makes these so cool is, first of all, I love the shine. I'm very much into shiny shoes, patent leather, so that's very cool, the rubbery effect. But I think what's fun about them is, you know, the Superstar is such an iconic sneaker from Adidas and just in general, that it takes the iconic parts of them, like the side stripes and the shell toe, and it just like inflates them and bubblifies them. Also the back heel there, you can see a little detail there, really neat. And you know, the tongue has the Adidas logo. Now, I think what you're supposed to do is, you can see there's little holes here. You line those up with the holes of the laces, and then that'll keep the tongue more sturdy and, like, you know, to your foot. So that's something I'll definitely have to do. I like how, let me grab the other one. I like how the shell toe actually literally does look like a shell. It looks like a scallop shell now that they're kind of bubblified. Bubblified? That's gotta be a new word. Adidas needs to trademark that. So very, very cool. And they're available in so many colors that they feel like something you're meant to collect. So I don't know, like I said already, I hope they bring these to other territories. And I think it would be, let me grab this real quick. Here's another close-up shot of the sneaker, the Superstar. Very similar to, like, you know, standard Superstar. Got more of a jelly toe, jelly outer sole. There is your Velcro on both sides. I think Adidas would be very smart to sell the silicone sleeves, the covers, separately so that you could buy a bunch of colors and you wouldn't have to just keep buying these. It'd almost be like a cell phone case kind of a deal. But I don't know, just something that, because it feels like, since this is so easy to come off and you can swap it around and stuff, it seems like that's what it was made to do. This is like a milestone in the Superstar's life here. I think this is certainly an iconic design for sneakers that have been so well known for decades. I hope they release outside of China. These I am more than happy to add to my collection. This is the Adidas Superstar Bubble sneaker, currently, as of early 2024, only available in China. But hopefully Adidas wises up and releases these bad boys in European markets and the American market. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Yes, they're different. And also, you know me, I love plastic, shiny, patent leather sneakers. Yes, they're different, but I think they're different in all the right ways. Okay, I gotta try these sexies on and see how they look.